Hello everybody. Welcome back to an important update here on this channel. In this report, we are going to discuss a potentially dangerous storm that could bring very heavy snow and a tornado outbreak within the next 5 to 7 days. If you are new to the channel, please do subscribe for more weather-related content, and especially if you are interested in the development of this storm. Without further ado, let's start talking about the weather. Here is the GFS model. We are getting a little bit of disagreement with the weather models with this storm, mainly about its exact track, but other than that, I think the models are starting to narrow down on roughly how this storm could play out. Once we reach February 16th, an area of moisture starts up in the Midwest, before being crashed into by two other pieces of energy in the West. When they all converge, they create a monster snowstorm, with very heavy snowfall and rain, and a dangerous line of storms. Severe weather and heavy snow remains a threat by February 17th, before making it to the eastern seaboard by the 18th. Everyone should be clear by the 19th, except for maybe Florida. Here is a preliminary look at the snowfall totals. It's still too early to start talking about exact amounts, but what we should focus on is where the heaviest snow may fall. Widespread mountain snow is possible across the West when the storm is in its early stages, which will be great for ski resorts that are losing snowpack. The more serious snow looks to start in the Midwest, into the Great Lakes region. Michigan may receive the heaviest snow from this storm. If we take a look at the European model, we see some slight differences. The European model also likes the idea of widespread mountain snow, although the swath of snow in the Midwest becomes lighter. This model does agree with heavier snow being in Michigan though. I will definitely be keeping everyone updated on these snowfall trends in coming videos. Ice is even harder to forecast, so I made a map that shows where ice could occur. If you live within this area, you are at risk at seeing some amount of ice, but since it is still a bit early, I'll be leaving accumulations of ice for another video. For now, let's turn the page to the severe weather risk. The Storm Prediction Center has issued a rare 15% risk of severe thunderstorms across this yellow zone in the Mid-South on February 16th. The threat continues into Thursday, February 17th, into parts of the Deep South. These threats are certainly nothing to play with, especially since professional meteorologists at the Storm Prediction Center have already noticed this storm. As we get closer, I can assure you I will keep you updated on these threats. So what's causing all of this commotion? Warm and humid Gulf air crashing into cold dry air, and the plains will be capable of sparking some dangerous thunderstorms across the South within the middle to latter part of next week. If you live within the threat zone, I urge you to subscribe to my channel so that you are able to stay updated on this situation. For additional information, go to the National Weather Service's website. There you can find lots of information to keep you weather ready ahead of severe storms. Other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one.